If you're looking to enhance your Ford F150's safety and style, installing a roll bar is a great solution. Roll bars not only provide crucial rollover protection, but also add a rugged aesthetic to your truck. Today, we'll review the top 3 roll bars for the Ford F150, ranked from 3rd to 1st. In 3rd place, we have the Black Horse Atlas Roll Bar. Constructed from black powder-coated 3-inch steel round tubes, this roll bar adds structural strength to your truck, protecting you and your passengers in the event of a rollover. It includes a built-in third brake light with wiring and is compatible with tonneau covers, thanks to its raised base design. However, installation requires drilling on the side tail lips of the truck bed, which might be a consideration for some users. Coming in 2nd is the Tyger Auto Sport Bar. Made with heavy-duty carbon steel and coated for durability, this sport bar enhances the overall look of your truck with its sleek and sporty design. It also allows for the mounting of a light bar, making off-road driving in the dark easier. Users appreciate its easy installation process, which can be a DIY project for many truck owners. Our top pick is the DEE ZEE Sport Bar. This roll bar stands out for its robust construction and practical features. It offers a sturdy frame that not only provides rollover protection, but also enhances the truck's appearance with its rugged design. The DEE ZEE Sport Bar is designed for easy installation and is compatible with most truck bed covers, making it a versatile choice for Ford F50 owners. In conclusion, each of these roll bars offers unique benefits, but the DEE ZEE Sport Bar leads the pack with its combination of durability, design, and ease of installation. Enhancing your Ford F150 with one of these roll bars will not only improve safety, but also add a distinctive look to your vehicle. Please check out the product links in the description, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.